back to another video. Today we have new tools at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yeah, big shout out to Josh, my man Josh. He's the one that helped us out on the channel, pointing out the new stuff that comes out and the deals. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, we see a new table saw here, Hercules. Alright, we got the 10-inch 15 amp compact Jobsite table saw with the rack and pinion fence. So we got an update here with this new Jobsite table saw. We got a rack and pinion. I personally like the rack and pinion better than the traditional fence. But if you guys see here, you guys got the nice rack and pinion fence there. So you guys see there, it's very easy to read. Something like this, you will see it at the more like top of the line models. That's with the stand and stuff like that. I don't have any more pictures here. They don't have any more pictures, but I wish they would show more pictures of this rack and pinion. So you could see how easy to read. Hopefully, if I can. As you guys see there, you guys could see a little better. There's actually a measurement there, and then you got a nice clear plastic on the top, so you can get the exact measurements. But anyways, this is the little rack and pinion here, the little handle. So you turn this handle here, and the whole thing just moves sideways. Like I said, usually you'll see this on the DeWalt. Like I said, upper scale. I personally like this style better. But that's one thing. So $349 for this 15 amp compact Jobsite table saw with the rack and pinion. Alright, the next one down, we got the Hercules flexible bit holder, 1/4 of an inch, $14.99. You know what, guys, this is a great little tool, especially if you're doing those cabinets and sometimes the screw is very close to the edge and the drill or the impact driver does not fit in there. This is the perfect tool for that. Or if you got just a really odd, space or something that you need to do, like, if you have a wall here and you need to do a screw there, so this is for that, for the smaller space, the odd size, or between 2x4s and stuff like that. So you got the regulator here is the Oxyline, $69.99. I don't know if I said that. This yeah, it's like oxygen or something like that. I don't know. For welding, maybe it's for welding. It's a gas regulator. This is right there. Oscillating compressed gas. Yeah, it's probably for anyways, $69.99. I'm not a big welding guy here. So Hard Terrain Gel knee pads, $14.99. These are nice. Well, not, they look nice, but obviously you want something that's gel knee pads. This is very important. You want to take care of your knees as much as possible. I know they do sell some other nice ones, so always wear your knee pads. Want to take care of those legs and knees and stuff like that. So you got light duty foam knee pads, $3.99. You got the fastening torque nails, 28 degrees, $34.99 for a 2,500 piece. You got 1-inch 18 gauge galvanized Brent nailers, 5,000. You got $9.99. You got Icon Professional radiator hose pick set, $69.99. So you might, I believe these are not sharp. Are these? Yeah. So you don't want nothing sharp. As I believe I was talking to Josh when he was pointing out this this type of tool. You don't want nothing that's sharp, because most of the time when you're doing hoses and stuff like that, you don't want to pinch it. So sometimes it's better to have something like this without, like a sharp, without a sharp edge on it. So it just depends on your preference. Some people like the sharp edge, some people like the square, not sharp edge. So you won't kill those hoses there. So you got a 13-inch 14 amp 14.5 amp 43 or 23 SDS Max type demolition hammer, $399.99. You got the Forest Camo Mechanics gloves, $5.99. These are nice. Let's see what they look like. Yeah. You got some leather there on the fingers to protect, I guess. To stabilize, give you some more. Master Diesel Compression Test Kit, $129.99. You got Merlin. Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out Harbor Freight's Merlin line of fittings and couplers and stuff like that, be sure to check them out. These are nice quality fittings. They're not that bad in price. So really nice. These blue ones, Merlins, don't even get near the Pittsburghs or the Central Pneumatic. Don't even get near those. Go for strictly for the Merlins. These are nice, really nice. You got the fastening strong 28 degree, 2.5, 2,000 piece, $34.99. You got a 12-inch 60-tooth general purpose circular saw blade, 12 or $19.99. Got a 5.5 30-tooth framing saw blade. Guys, every time you're using a miter saw or something like that, I like to keep my blades at least 60 tooth. I think that's the sweet spot. 40, I gotta say 40 is okay, but you know what, 60 is better. You get some nice cleaner cuts out of that, you know. All right, so you got the Central Machinery dust collector accessory, $67.99. Got the Bell and 3/4 D-ring shackle, $24.99. You got the fastening strong galvanized nails, 18 gauge. So you got all kinds of sizes. You got a Braun 5000 lumen linkable work light, $44.99. You got a Bauer 18-inch roller tool bag, 8-inch. This is pretty nice. You know what, guys? If Harbor Freight's listening to this, we need like a toolbox or like a like a tough system or something or pack out, but in the Hercules or Bauer line. I wish Harbor Freight will make a nice storage system for the tools, maybe cheaper than the alternative, than the competitor, and something that latches in together. That would be nice. So hopefully they're coming out with something like that, because obviously they're on the right track here with this tool bag. But if they can come out with those plastic boxes, they're lockable and they are with the weather stripping and all that, that'll be nice. So $89.99 for that. We got the 3-inch skeleton frame pocket knife, $6.99, Gordon. Got the Merlin color coded industrial coupler, 14 piece, $19.99. You got the Hercules. If you guys tried any of these Hercules blades, I gotta try them out. So I haven't. Maybe I'll put it against the Milwaukee, the one I have. You got the 6-inch bimetal hole saw, $35.99. You got the 5-inch metal. So you got the 5 and the 6 there, and then you got the 3 and the 2. You got the metal .30 caliber ammo can. What is this? $14.99. You got a .50 caliber ammo box. This is plastic, by the way. $9.99. You got a tarp. 24 by 36 heavy duty. $99.99. Wow, should be heavy duty for that price. It's a little pricey, but it could be heavy duty. Storehouse 6-inch silicone ties, pack of 2, $199. Alright, who cares about those? Got the Hallmaster diamond braid rope, $7.99. Got a 21-degree framing nailers, galvanized. 2 3/8, 3 1/4, 3-inch, 3-inch. Alright, see some new colors, guys. As me and Josh were talking about these colors, I noticed that these colors were new. So they are available now. They added some more colors to these Yukon boxes. So this is the 46-inch mobile workbench with solid wood top. $2.99. Yukon's pretty solid. I would say it's mostly shooting at the DIY. Not the pro level. Pro level, you want to go at least US General or Icon. Yukon's mostly for your entry level home use type of thing. At this price though, I would definitely wait for a sale or 20% off, 25% off coupon. Definitely you don't want to buy it at this price. I personally would wait for a coupon or a sale. Competitor, There's a lot of competitors that make just about the same box or the same type of box for a little bit less or around the same price with a lot more features in it. So I would definitely wait for those sales to come out. You got the Bauer 1.6 gallon, 35. Oh, you know what, guys? We already went over these in the last video. So if you guys want to check out that video, make sure you guys go to my channel. And you got soft precision, soft grip. Yeah, this is like I said, these are the ones that are sharp, and the other ones are like the edge is not sharp. That's what I was talking about, the difference. Hopefully, if I can find it, so you guys see there. See, the edge is not sharp. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.